Fushimi Inari-taisha is full of tourists, even on Monday.
刚下这个火车站。
At train station, you see images of fox. Foxes are the messengers of Inari, the deity of rice and prosperity. Look closely at the fox statues. You'll see them holding different items in their mouths. A scroll represents wisdom. A sheaf of rice symbolizes abundance. The red bib is a Shinto tradition where worshippers offer clothing to the statues as a sign of respect or to seek protection for their children. The famous Senbon Torii, thousands of torii gates, isn't just a hallway. It's a physical representation of gratitude. It has been a custom to donate a gate to express thanks for a wish that came true or to pray for business success. The front of the gates is often plain. The back of the gates contains the names of the donors and the dates they were erected. The Inari orange color represents the power of the sun and life, intended to ward off evil spirits and bad luck. Historically, the paint was made using mercury, which acted as a preservative for the wood against the damp mountain air. The full loop to the summit Mount Inari is about 4 kilometers hike. An ima is a wooden prayer plaque used in Shinto shrines.
Make a wish.
Fushimi Inari is famous for these unique fox-shaped plaques, reflecting the shrine's connection to the fox messengers. It became an interesting tradition where visitors draw unique faces on the foxes. People write their wishes or prayers on the back of the plaque and hang them up for the gods to see. as you hike higher up the mountain. There are thousands of these stone altars. Historically, when families or businesses couldn't afford a massive torii gate, or if they wanted a private place to worship a specific Inari deity, they would establish these stone monuments. The large bell hanging from the rope is for waking up the deity to get their attention before praying. It is said this fox is diving into a grain storehouse to protect the harvest, or simply leaping between the spirit world and the human world.
说什么 ？We hike about 30 minutes. Ready? Maybe.